Oh, that's it. He might not get up. Oh, lift him up. Lift him up. Lift him up. Lift him up one more time. Oh, quit playing with me. Oh, it's over with. Oh, he just crawled around on the floor. This fight is over. Appreciate y'all for joining the stream. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe, hit the share button. King_Julian7982. Special thanks and gifts are welcome. Another knockout victory for Hurricane Bates. Check out my long and short videos, live stream community.